These are trees.
These are trees at the Double T Ranch.
Yeah, looky there. Hey, it's the Colorado Kid.
And something seems to be... Oh my God, what happened? Alright, so I completely crinkled the body and tweaked the cab and tweaked the frame and some other stuff. Here's, kids, why you don't want to multitask too much. You're going to get yourself in trouble. This quarter is actually in decent shape. The door, however, not so much. Somehow the glass all stayed in there, but the rest of it did not. A whole bunch of stuff got torn up. I was actually trying to push it back into the garage, and it slipped, and I was tired, and I've been up for about 20 hours, and it kind of got wrecked. Not good at all. So I got all these nice new parts on a basically tweaked frame, tweaked body car. So I could either cut, mash, slice, and dice, or find something else to do. I mean, where am I going to find a spare body? Oh, hello, El Camino, or Hell Camino. We'll make it that.